Hi friends and welcome to inventcoding. Friends, if you are visiting our channel for the first time, then check out our channel playlist section for videos of various topics like React.js, Node.js, JavaScript, Python and MySQL. And if you're really interested in these topics, then do subscribe to our channel and also don't forget to click on the bell button for more updates. Friends, today in this video we are going to create a Spring Boot project from scratch. For this I am going to visit Spring Initializr. So Spring Initializr is an official online tool provided by Spring for creating Spring Boot projects. So we can click on the first link. So here we can able to see the detailed page of the Spring Initializr. So there were several ways of creating Spring Boot projects. So let's see that one by one in our further videos. So here under project I can able to see multiple project management tools like Gradle and Maven. I am going to choose Maven as my project management tool for managing my project dependencies. So here I am going to choose the project programming languages as Java. So under Spring Boot, I am going to select the version 3.3.3 which is already selected, and it is the stable version of Spring Boot now as of creating the video. So under project metadata, we are going to provide the project informations. So here under group, we need to provide the company name or the inversion of our website address. So here I am going to provide my YouTube channel name as group name. The artifact ID needs to be our project name. So I am going to here provide demo project as my product name in artifact ID. So here the project name and the artifact ID which is generated by Spring or seems to be the same. Okay, if you want to provide the description of your project, you can provide it, you can alter it here. So now the package name is automatically generated by Spring Initializr based on our group name followed by the artifact name. Okay, so here the packaging of our project, I am going to choose the jar here. So here I am going to choose the Java version as 17 because my system has Java runtime version 17, so it will be more easy for me to run the project. Okay, so in the right side section I can add a dependency for a project. So here I am going to add a Spring Web as my first dependency because Spring Web contains Apache Tomcat in it, so that I can run our project easily on a port. Okay friends, so I can generate the project by just clicking on generate. So here my project is downloaded, which is my project named demo project.